is it?
It is 8:42.
Hi guys,
Here we
today is Halloween. Look at the
have
costume. Look at the students' costume.
Look at that orange one.
And RJ is a plush. Here is RJ's
The only
plush.
superhero in the whole school.
Good. It's better get different. I don't want to be. It would
Yeah.
not be as good if there's 5 flashes down there.
Look at that. Have a witch.
Okay, they're getting in line, so. You look good, RJ.
And there's RJ. He's going now. Look at
Another
that.
float. The third one.
Here's RJ. It's a flush. Here he is.
Look at the horse. Or the donkey.
Oh my god, donkey. It's a donkey.
Where's RJ?
So big, huh?
You see him?
I not know where's RJ now.
There he is.
There is the parade. We're late. There's RJ. There's the parade.
A few minutes later.
Yep. Look at the. There it is. That's the class of RJ. Look at that, the costume.
5 minutes later.
And then we'll grab 5th grade. And then kindergarten, if you want to meet us outside of your doors on the north side of the building, we can pick you up out of the site after we pick up the 5th grade classes that are inside the portal. Thanks.
Waiting here, guys. Up there. Look like a kindergarten that time.
Yes, there's 2 kindergartens.
Yeah.
One, the first one was the AM. Second one's the PM. Remember, kindergarten was half day.
Yeah. But the people used to have attire. Kids. Just waiting here. Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Halloween here in Amerika have a school. But tomorrow have no school.
A few inches later.
Look at the
5th to 6th graders and 2 kindergartens. There's the principal. See that with the glasses? That's the principal.
There it is. Oh, nice.
Men in black. There's just as many here as the other one.
Dinosaur.
Santa Claus.
Oh, have chicken. Look at that chicken. It's a big chicken. Look at that. And have a giraffe. Chicken.
A lot of homemade costumes.
Yeah. look at the dinosaur.
Nobody knows that I'm Adam
There is the orange one. Go.
Peaches.
Whoa.
Michelle's like the boost.
No. Have a police.
There's the kindergarten. They're all excited. See the excitement in their face?
Good, done. Happy Halloween, mga higala.
It's Halloween.
Mga higala. Here's RJ.
It's Halloween!
Yep.
Woo!
And have fun to RJ today.
I walk around a circle.
Really? And then, here is the gift RJ in Halloween. It's teacher. Yes. Yes. Have donut
Now this.
and have candy and that.
There it is.
There is a weapon inside. There is.
You got this. Whopper.
Yep. And
Got this
yep.
thing.
Yep.
Blood. Real blood.
And
Real blood. And then we got cheese balls.
Halloween mini cheese ball.
I already got that. And then we got eraser.
Yeah. And what else?
We got a white spider. Glow in the dark too. We got this pen.
Ooh. All your classmates have that too?
Okay, and then we got this.
Okay.
My favorite, and then donut. Got donut.
And have here donut, have other teeth.
Got
Orange
sprinkles.
teeth.
Then he has this.
Ooh. Ooh. Here's RJ. Okay, that's it.
Got
And
the tongue.
yeah. And later we go to house.
That's my
We-
whole favorite part of the day. And then
Have
it's
this
paint I made.
art RJ made. Wow, it's cool, RJ. Nice.
And I got I Spy, and that's it.
Okay. Okay.
We got
And
this
later,
bag.
Mga higala. Oh, mag-house.
Happy Halloween!
House
Happy
to-
Halloween!
Yep. Mag-house to house. Happy Halloween, mga higala. And
Wait.
later, we
Trick or treat!
treat or treating.
It's a
RJ.
mask!
Yeah, nice. So
It's a
that you not
mask!
so that you're not cold later, RJ.
It's a mask.
Yeah.
It's a mask.
So yeah, some people in your school have a mini mask, RJ.
You know,
And-
where's school?
And hat. And hat too. What today? Later, Arju? What you do later?
Trick or treat!
Yeah. Yep.
I'm the Flash. I'm gonna run around. 'Cause I'm the Flash.
Okay, how? fast the flash.
Okay.
Let's see.
Ready?
Go, ready. Ooh. So fast the flash. Look at that. There's the flash. Ooh. Oh no. Wow. Only 28 seconds. Wow. Done.
Flash.
Yep. It's a flash. RJ. It's so fast. Okay, that's it.